Hey guys, welcome back to Living Trends. Today's video is about the review of few kurta sets that I bought from Meesho. This is my first purchase from Meesho. The review is going to be genuine and purely based on my experience. Stay tuned till the end for comparison review. This is a pure cotton kurta set which comes with dupatta and pajama. The fabric of the kurta is very thin and it's too transparent. I'm not happy with the kurta quality actually. I mean, the print is bright and beautiful. The pajama fabric is good. It's pure cotton and it's fully elasticated at the waistband. Elastic is good, doesn't hurt, very comfortable to wear. And it's straight fit and it's not transparent at all. And the dupatta fabric is equally good and the length is sufficient. Pretty good. And the print looks very pretty on the dupatta as well. What I don't like in this suit is just the fabric of the kurta. It's too thin, can't wear without a slip or camisole. Actually, the brand should have considered a better fabric for this one. Would have been really good. Next is this pink and white suit. It's cotton and anarkali type kurta, but actually does not have much flare. The print looks too jazzy and real. I mean, it's my opinion. The pajama is white, floral printed. Fabric is really thin and it's transparent. Fully elasticated waistband, but somehow fit is not comfortable. Dupatta is very pretty. It's pure cotton and has lace on all four sides of the shawl. Fabric is good and has beautiful floral prints. The kurta has golden gota patti lace at the neck pattern. The fabric is cotton blend, I believe actually, because I really doubt if it's pure cotton, but the brand claims so on the website. The sleeve length is full and has lace at the wristline. I did not like it at all. Somehow that feel good factor is totally missing in this one. This is a very simple and neat kurta set. Fabric is really good. It's pure cotton and feels good on skin. Nice thick and pure cotton fabric. The pajama is fully elasticated at the waistband. Very comfortable to wear. It doesn't hurt. The elastic is good. It's a straight fit style and has slits at the ankle part of the pajama. Pajama fabric is good and it's not transparent at all. Dupatta fabric is pure cotton and feels really soft on skin. Print is really good, it's very pretty and the length is just right. However, what I feel is the finishing or stitching of the kurta is not so satisfactory. Lot of loose threads all over the neck pattern. I mean, poor finishing I would say. Even the sleeve alignment is not correct. You can just wear it at home as a casual wear. Wouldn't suggest to wear this one outdoors. Again, this is my opinion guys. I wouldn't wear this outdoors, but fabric is really good for summers. Really soothing and good on skin. This is yet another simple and pure cotton kurta set. Fabric is thick and not transparent at all. Nice soothing color. Looks neat and the fabric is great, not transparent at all. Pajama is good. Pure cotton. Dupatta is again pure cotton and very pretty. Pajama is fully elasticated at the waistband and it's comfortable to wear. The elastic is good, doesn't hurt. It's a straight fit pajama with slits at the ankle part. Fabric is not transparent at all. It's really good. Feels very nice on the skin. Kurta has tassels and gota patti lace at the neck pattern. Has a round neck design. And the sleeve length is 3/4. Good for daily use, apt for summers. Fabric feels very soft on the skin. This one is from the brand His and Her. Out of the ones shown here, this is the one I like better actually. It's pure cotton and it's premium cotton fabric. Feels very soft on the skin. Simple neck design with golden lace piping work. Sleeve length is 3/4 and has lace work on the sleeves as well. Material feels so soft guys, really good on the skin. Pajama fabric is good as well, not transparent at all. It's regular fit with partially elasticated waistband and drawstrings. Comfortable to wear. I love the dupatta. Dupatta is very good. So soft on the skin and the print is pretty. Even the fabric is really good. And the length of the dupatta is pretty good. Overall, the dress looks simple and neat when worn, but very good, feels very good on the skin. Just apt for summers also. Guys, based on my experience buying from Meesho, I would like to share a few things here. First of all, don't have any expectations when you're ordering for the first time from Meesho. It may disappoint you. Secondly, look for products that has above 4.5 ratings and if they are M-trusted brands. Go for only M-trusted brands. Most importantly, do not compare Meesho quality with that of Myntra, Amazon or Ajio. It may certainly disappoint you. That's my experience again. If you're a regular shopper from Myntra, then the quality of dresses from Meesho may not meet your expectations. I do not say all the products from Meesho are bad. It is a huge shopping site and there are many sellers listed there. Many sellers sell the same product with different prices. When you buy, look for the seller's rating and the price of the product. If you want good quality, then the price will be a little higher. There are good and not so good products listed on Meesho, so it's a little tricky while selecting. Just keep the above points in mind while ordering and you will get the right products delivered. Hope this helps a little. If you like my content, consider subscribing and I'm sure you won't be disappointed, as there are loads of interesting videos lined up for you. Also hit the like and share it with your friends and family. It means a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification on my upcoming videos. Until I see you in my next video, this is Babita signing off. It's one life, live it out.